Now this dish is called cornmeal pudding. Again, it's one of my absolute favorites. Traditionally, cornmeal pudding is made with quite a lot of sugar, but today I'm going to show you an alternative that, okay, it's still a form of sugar, but it's a much healthier option. There's agave nectar or agave syrup. Apparently, this is okay for diabetics, but obviously if you're going to use it, check with your doctor that this is good for you, because there's different kinds of diabetics. Or you can use maple syrup. Again, maple syrup is a nice natural product. It is still sweet, it is still a kind of sugar, but these have more nutrients in them. So let's get started. What we need first of all is cornmeal, and this is one of those great dishes where you just chuck everything in. And we need some flour, plain flour. I did once put self-raising flour in, it didn't seem to make much difference. Then we're going to have some mixed spice, or you can use pumpkin spice. In America they have pumpkin spice. You're going to use some nutmeg, and then we're going to add in our raisins. We're going to just give this a quick stir, like so. Then we're going to add our coconut milk, and this is our fresh coconut milk that we have made ourselves. A pinch of salt, just a small pinch, like so. And then we're going to add our sweetener, so we need all of this of agave syrup. Oh, that looks really nice. Smells nice as well. And then give it a good stir. You want all the flavors to combine throughout all of the mixture, and make sure there's any lumps that I've taken them out. Traditionally, you would cook it in a baking dish like this, like a medium dish, like so. But I thought, let's do it a little different, because it's not the prettiest looking dessert, but you can put it into pretty pots. When I had my aunt over for dinner, she loves cornmeal pudding, and I made one like this for her, and she was like, ooh, when I brought it out. So I thought, you know, make it look nice. So you just spoon it into the pot. Now what you want to do is fill it up about 2/3 full, because we're going to have a custard topping. So basically, cornmeal pudding is firm with a kind of custardy consistent mixture on top, which is absolutely delicious. So we just pour these into the dishes like so. So that's about 2/3 full, and another one. There you go. And then we're going to pop these into a medium oven for 15 minutes, so they firm slightly but not completely, and then we're going to put our custard topping on top. Our oven's ready to go, so we just place them like so. I'm going to put the rest of the mixture into a medium-sized dish, because this is kind of the traditional way to make it, and we've got plenty of mixture left over. But if you've got enough of the small ramekin dishes, you can put them all into there. So put it into here, like so. I'm going to pop that into the oven. And then we're going to take out our two that are ready for the custard topping. So we have our coconut milk and sugar mixture that we're going to pour on top, and then pop those back into the oven. And then we will soon have our cornmeal pudding. Don't forget to get the topping bit. To speak. So.
That's lovely. Really like the topping.
Really good, really nice. I love my kind of British English puddings, and this has that similar kind of sweet, spongy.
Children usually tell us honestly what they think.
I think it's really good. It's nice and sweet. It has a bit of like a spongy texture. It tastes just like a regular cake, but you can also taste the cornmeal in it. It is sweeter than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be like less sweeter, but it's really sweet and it's really tasty.
Lovely.